In this video I'm going to show you how to create Gmail account. So watch this video carefully and don't skip this video. If you skip this video, then you will not understand very well, so watch till end. So first of all, open Gmail and go to profile, which is top right. Then click on here that says add another account and click on Google. Continue. And then click on create account. Here is some options that says for my personal use and for work or my business. If you create personal account, so click on first option. Enter your name, first name and surname. For example, Tech Videos World. Next. Enter your birthday and gender. Here is some options. If you are female, you select female. I am male, so I select male. Next. Choose your Gmail address. Pick a Gmail address or create your own. Next. Create a strong password with a mixture of letters, numbers and symbols. Next. Enter phone number. Confirm that you're not a robot. Google will verify this number via SMS. Next. Enter the code. Enter the 6-digit verification code to confirm that you received the text message. Next. Again, click on next. You can read this page. I skip this page and agree. Account successfully created. This is how you can create your new account. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to receive latest updates.